Hello, in this video we want to show you how to diagnose and replace the heating element, heating resistance for your hot water bath in HP Plastic machines. First of all, for accessing to your heating resistances, you need to open the back cover of the unit to see your heating element. Before everything, you need to turn off the power and remove the wiring from the source. After that, you are sure that the power is unplugged. You need to remove the cover of the heating element like this by turning it, and you see the wiring of your heating element. 3 of these wires are 3 different phases, and one of them is common and connected to the node. You see here we connect these 3 terminals, or jumped these 3 terminals together and connected to the node of the power, and these are 3 phases. First of all, for diagnosing your element, you need to check the resistance or ohm in each element. For this you need a multimeter. Put the multimeter into the ohm position. Connect to one node and one phase, and you must have resistance in each line. You see, like here, one to the node and one to the one of the phases, and we have something about 24 ohms. This is correct. It means that the heating element is working correctly. Do this for all 3 lines of your heating element, and be sure that the resistance between each lines is okay or not. If you see that something about a unit about mega ohm here, it means that your element has been faulted and you need to replace it. For replacing the element, you need a piping wrench. Before you unplug the element flange, you need to open the nuts of each line of your element. And remove the wiring from it. You need to close the quarter valve here like this to be sure that the water don't came out from the tank to the heating chamber. And after you're sure that the quarter valve is closed, open the heating element with the proper wrench like this. When you're opening the heating element, it water came out from the flange. This water is water trapped in the heating chamber, and it's nothing, don't worry. But I repeat it, be sure that the power line, the main power line, is plugged out. And you can replace the heating element like this. You see here the elements in the water bath are like this, 3 different lines. You see here 1 line, the 2nd line, and the 3rd line. You need to jump these 3 lines, 1 head of each element like this. You see here 1 head of each element. We jumped it together, 1 head of each element, and we connect it to the node, and the other 3 heads of the 3 elements will be connected to the face. Okay, so replace the heating element easily into the fitting with the PTFE tape. Always be sure that you use the PTFE tape. And then connect the power lines. Tighten it properly. I repeat it. Be sure that you use the PTFE tape for seal. I repeat it for you in order to understand properly. Jump the 3 different heads of each element together. You see element 1, hitting element 2, the line number 3, and here you connect these 3 heads, or jump these 3 heads together with the wiring you have in your device. After that, use the PTFE tape for sealing. Put the tape around the thread. And then put it through the heating chamber and tighten it to the flange. Be sure that you are tightening it properly with the proper length. After that, connect the null wire to one of the 3 jumped terminals. And tighten the knot of it. And then connect the 3 phase wires to the 3 free heads of the heating elements. You see here 3 of them are connected together and occupied, and the null line connects to them, and we have 3 free heads that we connect each of phases to one of these 3 lines. After that, after you connect the 3 phases and the common null wiring, put the cover back to its place, turn it to locked, and fix the wires with this part, and you can use the water bath again in the section. And also be sure that you open the quarter valve that you closed at first.